Hello, welcome back to today's video. I am so excited because I did receive my ice cream beauty box for the month of May, and surprise, surprise, no one stepped on it. The theme this month is Sunday mornings, and I did spill something on my card. I don't want to talk about it. This retails for like $25 a month. You get 5 full-size products from indie brands, and I love the subscription. I have been loving the subscription ever since I signed up, precisely because it is just worth the money, and I love to try the new brands that we get in here. So it's so fun to get new things every month. The first item I received was the Ultimate Cappuccino palette by Dede Signature. This retails for $34. This palette features the newly reformulated mattes by Dede Signature. Dede Signature is a woman of color owned and USA based beauty brand that features a wide variety of signature palettes. We are so happy to be able to feature this newly launched palette so that all of you can try their amazing formula. This palette features 8 mattes, 2 duochromes, and 2 metallics. You guys, first of all, I love that it's coffee, themed. You guys know I love my coffee. I don't go to Starbucks, I get Cuban espresso because that is how we do it. I just love this palette. This packaging, simple, beautiful. I enjoy this. And then you open it up. These colors, you're gonna use this palette. It has everything you could need. It has your neutrals. It has pops of beautiful colors. And I feel like you can create one and done looks with like this pink with that shade, this orange with that shade. The green, this metallic is what I have on most of my lid on this eye. It's insane. And latte is what I have in the inner portion. It is so bright, so pretty. I can't wait to bust this palette out again. This is stunning, and I'm excited to try out something from this brand because I don't think I've ever tried anything from this brand. So this is exciting. I enjoyed this. This paid for the box entirely, so I'm not mad. For $34, these shades blended so nicely. The new formulated mattes are good, okay? I did use the neutrals, and then I used these two, well, I used these 3 for this look, and I did use this pink shade in the inner corner right here. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but I did enjoy this palette a lot. I think I definitely will reuse it again, and I'm happy with the quality of it. The next item is the BB Plus Illumination Cream by Gerard Cosmetics. This does retail for $36. Important note for manufacturer: in order to get the air pump to work correctly, you will need to unscrew the cap and push the product up until it appears in the neck. Screw the cap back on and shake the tube well. It may come out a little watery at first, but this is all normal. It may take a few pumps to get the vacuum working, and I did do that. I spilled it everywhere when I did, so be careful. This innovative product can be used as an anti-aging primer to prepare and illuminate the skin. Mix in with your favorite foundation or tinted moisturizer for a radiant, luminous glow. Used as a liquid highlighter, used to provide an all-over body glow. Mix with your favorite lotion to give arms, legs, and collarbones a gorgeous luminous finish. And I think that's mainly how I'm going to use this, because I didn't really love it as a primer and I didn't really love it as a highlighter. So I feel like I am going to use this on my body or my collarbone or wherever I can. It's not what I expected. It's a facial cream, but it's not. It just accentuated my pores. It made me look weird. It caused the ink on this paper to like bleed, and I was just like, I don't know. It's weird. I really don't know if I like this product. I feel like I will have to definitely use it again. I definitely don't think it's worth the $36, but I will keep testing it out. The next item is the Loose Duochrome Powder by Beauty Moon Cosmetics. This does retail for $10. This is a loose duochrome pigment that shifts from a light purple to a very light blue. It is very sparkly. It is an absolutely stunning shade and goes beautifully as an eyeshadow topper, or if you are feeling a little more adventurous, you can use it as a highlighter. I'm not gonna do that because this is so messy. Like, I'm a messy person naturally, so I don't have a lot of these, and the ones that I do have I get from this box. But I did use this all over my lid on this eye, and I love the like soft sparkle that it gave me. That's exactly what I wanted, and this gave it to me, and it's so pretty. I love it. And the shade does shift very nicely, although the way I applied it on this eye, it's not really going to show up as a shifty duochrome pigment. It's just going to be very nice and sparkly, and that's what I wanted anyway, so I call it a win. For $10 you get a ton of product, and it's a very nice, beautiful shade. The next item is the Next Level Gel Liner by Appeal Cosmetics. This does retail for $21. This gel liner is safe to be used as a lip liner or an eyeliner. Use it all over your lips to line them or for an added pop of color on your eyes. This matte, smudge proof and long wearing eyeliner is there's a lot of typos on this thing. For an added pop of color on your eyes, use this matte, smudge proof and long wearing liner. So this is like a bright pink. I thought I could use it as a lip liner. It's not for me. It doesn't look that great on me personally. The color is pretty, and I feel like I can use it as an eyeliner. I have received one of these before from BoxyCharm a long time ago, and I was a fan of the formula for a eyeliner, so I feel like that's how I will use this one. And I'm so happy to have a bright pink because I feel like it was missing from my collection. And the last item is the Color Your Smile Lip Gloss by Gerard Cosmetics. This does retail for $24. This is a revolutionary product designed to bring glamour and ease to your beauty routine. Available in a stunning array of shades, these lip glosses come in 2 irresistible textures: semi-sheer and sparkling for a luminous finish, or highly pigmented opaque for color as rich as a liquid lipstick. Now, I could have sworn that these come with a light, and when I tried this on, you can probably see from my face that I'm pretty disappointed. And it's because these come with a mirror and a light, and the only reason I know this is because I'm a law nerd and I watch Emily D. Baker on YouTube, and I bought her collection of these lip glosses. And I love them. I love them. Okay, these are so good, so hydrating, so moisturizing. But the #1 selling factor is you can apply them anywhere because they have a freaking light. That is like the #1 thing about these glosses that I'm just obsessed with, and I would repurchase just because they have that. Of course, only support the Emily collection. I guess that's why these are in here, because there is no light, but who can be so sure, you know? This color is very warm. I like the way it looks with the lip liner. I didn't mind it. The formula is the same great formula from Gerard Cosmetics. It's just, it's supposed to have a light, and it don't have a light. But yeah, if you're looking for a very good hydrating lip gloss, and if you don't like applying lip gloss in public places because you feel like you don't have a good mirror, good way to look at it, definitely recommend the Gerard lip glosses, especially the Emily collection. There were 3 colors. I can't find the other shades right now, but I have the purple one, I have the clear, and I have the pink. I like the clear the most. Gotta support Emily. She does the most, you know? Gotta support her. This color was such a surprise. When I opened it up, I was like, oh my god, am I gonna even like this? But it's very pretty, and it's perfect for the summertime, and I really like it. And the formula is really good. So $24, it's expensive because it doesn't have a light, but it has a mirror. You get like half of it, right? You get your points. But I know why it's in here. I wonder if anyone else's lip gloss light worked. Please let me know. I would love to know. But yeah, that is it for today's video. Please let me know what you thought of this month's box. I really enjoyed it. The palette, I think the palette's my favorite. I'm excited to use this again. It's so good. Highlights from today's video would be the palette and the loose pigment and the gloss. These are the highlights of today's video. The other products, but these products these products definitely take the win for today. The other products don't, but it's okay because this paid for more than the box, so I'm happy. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Formula performed so easily. They blended so. I did use this. I did use as a liquid highlighter. Use above it. Used as a liquid highlighter, and or if you are feeling